Can I have my 2,000 rand back, please? My 2,000 rand I want back. My 2,000 rand I want back. The money that I gave now, 2,000 rand for this gentleman here. This lady here took 2,000 rand from my friend, somebody who works for me. Can I have my money back, please?
I don't know anything.
Okay, you don't know anything, but you took the money. Can I have 2,000 rand from you? Please give it to me now. Or else I'll put you on Facebook. Give it to me. Thank you very much. Fuck it. Yeah, you don't know anything about it. But yes, 2,000 rand that you took from my guy. Hey? How come you give me the 2,000 rand now? You guys are all taking bribes here. Say sorry.
Sorry.
Why did you do it?
I'm very sorry.
Why did you do it?
Sorry, Baba.
You sorry? 2,000 rand from a man who works very hard. And you take his money. What kind of policeman are you?
I'm very sorry.
You're very sorry. I'm very sorry for the whole of bloody South Africa. I'm live on Facebook. These people took some money. There's the money here. Okay? I'm not talking to you.
Oh, you're not talking to me.
Get away from me.
Oh, okay.
So anybody who wants to arrest me now is welcome to arrest me. But I'm telling you something right now. I'm leaving. And if you want to stop me from leaving, you're welcome. And sir, what police station is this? What? JP.
Zuna.
They wanted me to apologize for coming to get my money back. Don't ask for, don't worry about from who. I'm out of here.
I just saw a video of I just saw a video of somebody going to go and fetch a bribe from Amapolisa. So this guy works for another guy. Wamiswa ngamapolisa, I don't know what he done, but eventually kwathathwa 2,000 rand as imali ye drink by a cop, a female cop. And then the guy went to work. Ufike emsebenzini waxela kuboss yakhe ba ifoni yini sanothathelwa. Oh, ndisandothathelwa 2,000 ngamapolisa. Phaye kona whatever and whatever. Iboss yakhe umlungu male wahamba wayapha kwamapolisa wafika sesezividweni serecorder wathi sapa ndizothatha 2,000 ndizothatha 2,000 nina nisandothatha 2,000 from umuntu ondisebenzelayo. This man works hard. Where is my 2,000? What? So kwamapolisa bayithuba, there's a female cop and a male cop. He first goes to the female cop and the female cop says nothing. Then he goes around the car, bahlele back evening. Quick double cab. Then he goes around the car and says to the male cop, Sapa 2,000. And the male cop is like, I don't know what you're talking about. Then he says to the female, Itatwe nguwe. Sapa 2,000. Why iti hold to 2,000? Umempolisa. I nigga back. Gogo uthi la oh gogo uthi lamlungu bayithi sorry. Please excuse me. Uthi lamlungu yithi sorry. Uthi la sisi sorry. Ngokuyabuza, why did you do that? This man works very hard for imali yakhe, wena ungamthathela imali yakhe. Why did you do that? Ulasisi, I'm so sorry. Do you think babe ngengumlungu lo abizo work out the same way?
Yeah. Mfethu ngibona le video le sister le khata well 32,000 e bribe. Yo, mfethu aleyanto lebuhlungu leyana mfethu. And uyambona baby girl bombhekile sokuthi hayi i-background abuya kuyo ne. Yambona nje ukuthi nale span lesi mfethu asitholile sobuphoyisa i-breadwinner lo muntu. Probably unabantwana abayithunyana 1 3 mfethu. Manje umsebenzi uyophela. And you know one thing about lezi a bribe or a crime, ezokutshontsha, whatever that you do, especially at work, it becomes sort of your side hustle. Yabona? And mawusabheka abantu abenza ubugebengu ngesikhathi uxoshelwa i-2,000 for i-salary 15,000 or 20,000. You lose i-salary bezongena until December for just 2,000. Or umuntu atshontshe ispanner, you understand, bambambe egeyidini atshontshe something. Mawusayibheka ivelu yalento leyo kuyi-500 into bayangayithengela zona. Bayangazithengela lawo mathulusi. But you lose your job. Mara mbethu ngiyakutshela abutsheri ababa kulezi zinto eziso ba-initiate amajita. Yabona? Njengoba le out leseduze naye ithi hayi I don't know anything. They know. It's just ukuthi wena ube nebhadi kwaba uye laphayana abajwayele wayelanda imali kwabanja yena umsebenzi uphelile. Fethu stealing ku-subs on camera. Yabona kube bengashutwanga ke bebangayinyathela ngeenyawo ke bakuprotecte nyana. But ku-subs ngiyazi ukuthi mfethu kuyakhishwana lapha. Yeah, ungabona ngathi bayathandana ku-subs. Yeah, abanye bayaplotana lapha kuyakhishana lapha. Mawubhayiza nje uhambile. Mara mbona uJune uluza umsebenzi ne 6 months before December no January. Yo ayibha.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, usisilana uthathe ibribe engango 2,000 rand. So umlungu ke sakayifuna back leyo 2,000 rand leyo. So miningi imbono ihlukahlukene but ke mina nje engushoyo ukuthi usisi beka wrong ukuthatha ibribe from onset. Like siyazi ukuthi izinto ezinjena ezenza ukuthi country yethu ibe lala ikhona njengamanje. Amaphoyisa a corrupt. Whether uphoyisa elomuntu omnyama or umuntu wesifazane or elomlungu or kwenzakalani ukuthatha nje ibribe akukho right. Good people, kunabantu la ngaphandle abavula ama case but abayitholanga ijustice because of amaphoyisa afana nalosisi. Kunabantu ekumele ngabe bayabhadla ejele basave ama sentences wabo ama victim athola ijustice but ke akwenzeki lokho because of abantu abacorrupt amaphoyisa corrupt afana nalosisi. It doesn't matter ukuthi uyithatha kuphi ibribe for the fact ukuthi kune bribe ekumele uyithathe phakathi, which means lo muntu lo uphula umthetho and makaphula umthetho kumele enzeni afacena nama consequences okuphula umthetho. So naye ke usisi sham adonona la mina ngithi nje whatever outcomes ezophuma la after this uyayideserve. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.